Munira kai ke vile ka velote rengun e mate chetheta ka velo. Sonsi tumi inut sumbi rong pipia bang pita kiso det penajok via videt si bongpli team tiger NGO tum vi pidunlo mate rabdunlo. Lapen pini le thota bang hini bang pho tumaphan vi chipidun pen rabdun thulo. Sonsi patumui le thota Dipu Medical College along banghinia bangphu vi kilong le pen ke matha kisunga porhut team tiger NGO tumaphan birta policy alang itum at team pen humridam thusi kisodet abang pho tumaphan vi bongni pidam thulo. Suajok kisodet hemtun adonara patung pen team tiger NGO abitung tumaphan aninga klong pen akiro pajir pon thulo. Chithanda me team tiger NGO tum Chemitme pin pen tumi hedjong ta vi bong pri pidunlo la pen pini le thotta bongni vi ke pia tuma phanta medical college long vi pidam thulo sojo karbyang long rar tum aning kang sam team tiger NGO tuma phan nang bat bom son si thek pon thulong lo
lasi kiwang jilang apor hur an satami alang litum an su sik kirap thek bom je phan sitami alang litum phanta ning thelo la pen ako kirap bom pota churo par piglo pini abangke banghini atum phan rablo nili korti lapen inut aka prega bang gamen sarson rong ha alangli tum banghini phan bi pilo
and what blood group A positive. So in this hour of need they made us very comfortable and very easy for us to think that, because humanity is what we always have to think. The word humanity and the practice of humanity have been murdered by we all of us from a certain aspects, if we are going to say. Therefore, Team Tiger's main ambition is to unearth and recultivate back the meaning of humanity. So for that, members of Team Tiger NGO came here and donated blood, not only for the 2 patients, but also for more patients who need bloods here at Dipu Medical College. So for that, we are very thankful to them, and in times to come, let us cooperate and hope these Team Tiger members will cooperate with us forever. And giving blood means giving life. That is what we need. So this is the guardian and the parents of Sarson Ronghang and Sikari Bay are very happy with them, and to you all the media persons as well. So we must come together always.
News report Carbing Long Life.